Good morning, America. Today, we bring you a story that's making waves across the nation. A story that blends the worlds of politics, technology, and staggering financial gain in a way we've never quite seen before. It's September 2nd, 2025, and the headlines are dominated by a single, jaw-dropping number, $6 billion. That's the amount by which the Trump family's fortune has grown, seemingly overnight, and not from their usual real estate deals or television ventures. Instead, this windfall comes from the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency. The Trumps have made a bold leap into digital finance, and it's paid off in spectacular fashion. Their wealth has surged thanks to a new digital token, WLFI, that's become the talk of both Wall Street and Main Street. WLFI is the centerpiece of their latest venture, World Liberty Financial. This isn't just another investment. It's a full-scale entry into the digital economy with the Trump name front and center. The project has been shrouded in secrecy for months, fueling speculation and curiosity among investors and political observers alike. Yesterday, World Liberty Financial finally pulled back the curtain. WLFI made its public trading debut, and the response was nothing short of electric. Trading floors buzzed with excitement as the token's value soared, and social media lit up with hot takes and wild predictions. For the first time, anyone with an internet connection could buy or sell WLFI on major crypto exchanges. The market quickly set a price, and it was far higher than most analysts had anticipated. Within hours, the Trump family's stake in WLFI was valued at a staggering $6 billion. The numbers are eye-popping: millions of dollars in trading volume, a transparent valuation process, and a digital asset that's now the centerpiece of the Trump financial empire. While the value is on paper for now, the implications are real, and they're being felt across the financial world. This is more than just a business story. It's a cultural moment, a political flashpoint, and a financial phenomenon all rolled into one. As the world reacts to the Trump family's $6 billion crypto windfall, one thing is clear: the intersection of power, technology, and money has never been more dramatic or more unpredictable. How did this crypto empire begin? The story of World Liberty Financial is as much about family as it is about finance. It all started with a vision to revolutionize the financial landscape, a vision deeply rooted in the political and economic aspirations of the Trump family. World Liberty Financial was announced in 2024 as Trump campaigned for the presidency. This announcement was not just a business move, but a strategic alignment with the political climate of the time. The campaign trail was buzzing with promises of economic reform and financial independence, and the introduction of a new financial entity seemed like a natural extension of these promises. The mission: Make America Great Again with Crypto. This slogan was more than just a catchy phrase. It was a rallying cry that combined the populist appeal of the Trump campaign with the futuristic allure of digital currency. It promised a new era of financial freedom, one that would bypass traditional banking systems and empower ordinary Americans. The slogan fused their political brand with digital currency's appeal. It was a masterstroke of marketing, blending the familiar with the innovative. Supporters rallied behind the idea, seeing it as a way to take control of their financial futures while supporting a political movement they believed in. The idea: a financial ecosystem outside traditional banks, pitched as a populist move for financial freedom. This new system promised to be more inclusive, more accessible, and more aligned with the needs of the average American. It was a bold vision, one that challenged the status quo and promised to democratize finance. The company's co-founders, Donald Trump Jr., Eric Trump, and Barron Trump, signaling a generational shift and a play for younger, tech-savvy audiences. This was not just a business venture, it was a family affair, with each member bringing their unique skills and perspectives to the table. The involvement of the younger Trumps was a clear signal that this was a forward-looking enterprise, one that was ready to embrace the future of finance. President Trump holds the title of co-founder emeritus, guiding the venture without direct involvement. His role is more advisory, lending his experience and influence to the project, while allowing the younger generation to take the reins. This structure ensures that the business benefits from his legacy and wisdom, without being overshadowed by his political career. This structure keeps control and profits firmly in the family, while distancing the business from the presidency. It's a delicate balance, one that allows the Trumps to leverage their brand and influence while maintaining a degree of separation from the political sphere. In this way, World Liberty Financial stands as a testament to the power of family, innovation, and strategic vision. Let's break down that $6 billion number. The Trump family owns about a quarter of all WLFI tokens. Before public trading, these were just theoretical assets valued only in private deals. Everything changed when WLFI hit exchanges like Binance. Suddenly, a real price was set by the market. On day one, the token traded between 24 and 30 cents. Multiply that by the family's massive holdings, and their paper wealth instantly topped $6 billion. It's a fortune that materialized in a single trading day. WLFI's journey from a quiet, behind-the-scenes private sale to the bright lights and chaos of public trading is a fascinating look at the calculated strategy behind World Liberty Financial's rise. It's a story that starts with a handful of insiders and early believers and ends with a frenzy of public excitement and speculation. The transition from private to public isn't just a change in who can buy the token. It's a carefully orchestrated process designed to maximize hype, reward risk takers, and control the flow of money and tokens. In the earliest days, before the headlines and the buzz, a select group of investors were able to buy WLFI tokens for just 1.5 cents each. These were the risk takers, the ones willing to put their money on the line before anyone else even knew the project existed. For them, it was a high-stakes gamble, one that could have easily gone the other way. But this time, their bet paid off in a big way. When WLFI finally hit the public markets, the price didn't just inch up, it exploded. Within hours, the token soared to as high as 30 cents, representing a staggering 16-fold increase for those early backers. Suddenly, the world was watching, and the people who got in early were sitting on life-changing gains. Stories like these are what fuel the gold rush mentality around new crypto launches, drawing in waves of new investors hoping to catch the next rocket. The excitement is contagious. Social media lights up, news outlets scramble to cover the story, and everyone wants a piece of the action. The promise of quick, massive returns creates a feeding frenzy, with new buyers piling in and pushing prices even higher. It's a cycle that repeats itself with every hot new token, and WLFI was no exception. But there's a crucial detail that most newcomers miss. Early investors can't just cash out all their tokens at once. Even as the price skyrockets, their hands are tied by strict rules. This isn't an accident, it's a deliberate part of the plan. These rules are called lockup periods. They're designed to prevent a sudden flood of tokens from hitting the market all at once, which could send prices crashing and destroy the carefully built hype. Lockups force early investors to hold onto their tokens for weeks, months, or even longer, releasing them gradually according to a set schedule. This slow release helps keep prices stable, maintains the sense of scarcity, and keeps the excitement alive. It's a balancing act. Enough supply to keep the market moving, but not so much that it all comes crashing down. In the end, it's a classic move from the crypto playbook. Offer big rewards to those who take the biggest risks, but always with strings attached. The journey from private sale to public frenzy is never as simple as it seems, and for every winner, there are always rules and risks lurking just beneath the surface. Behind the crypto buzz is a business structure engineered for Trump family profit. They took over a publicly listed firm, raising $750 million to launch WLFI. The family keeps 3/4 of all revenue from token sales. That's $500 million in direct profit from the initial raise. Real money, not just paper wealth. The venture was designed from the start as a money-making machine for its founders. It's a textbook example of turning hype into hard cash. The Trump family's crypto ambitions go beyond World Liberty Financial. They also hold a major stake in the Dollar Trump meme coin, a speculative asset driven by internet culture and political fandom. This coin, valued at several $billion, thrives on viral marketing and the Trump brand. By diversifying into meme coins, the family taps into different corners of the crypto world. The value of these coins is volatile, driven by community sentiment and speculation. It's a broad strategy to capitalize on the Trump name across the digital asset landscape. With the president's family launching a multi-billion-dollar venture, conflict of interest questions are inevitable. Critics warn that WLFI could let wealthy individuals or foreign entities curry favor with the Trump administration. Investing in the token might be seen as a way to gain political access or goodwill. The line between business and politics blurs, raising concerns about influence and transparency. Cryptocurrency's global, anonymous nature only amplifies these worries. The debate over ethics and accountability is just beginning. Who's running the show? CEO Zach Witkoff, son of Trump ally Steve Witkoff, leads World Liberty Financial. Steve Witkoff is not just a real estate mogul, he's also Trump's envoy to the Middle East. The close ties between the Witkoff and Trump families add another layer to the story. CEO Zach claims the company is non-political, focused on financial innovation. This stance aims to attract investors beyond Trump's political base. By presenting as a neutral platform, they're chasing mainstream legitimacy in the tech world. After its explosive debut, World Liberty Financial faces big risks. The Trump family and insiders hold huge numbers of tokens. If they sell too many after lockups expire, the market could be flooded, crashing the price. They're challenged cashing out without tanking the project. Investors are watching for any sign of insider selling. The long-term fate of WLFI depends on careful management and maintaining trust. It's a classic crypto dilemma, now with global political stakes. The world is watching to see what happens next.